Hey followers, so this is a video you've been waiting for if you're trying to figure out how to put a belly tank in this RH sled. Got a tank I've been working on for the past 2 days. You can kind of see the insides. I've got the baffles in, I'm cleaning out. I'm going to be using a mechanical gauge. These mechanical gauges are pretty idiot proof. I've got the braces. I've got this brace offset. This is one of the fills going to be. This is the front of the boat. That's going to be the back. There's a little pickup back there. There'll be vents in here at the top. That's the top piece that's going on. Everything's made out of 1/8 inch 50-52. I picked up all the material for $135. I did have to cut everything, so what you want to know is the V. So on the corners right there, the maximum height is 2 inches, and then the bottom there is 5 1/4. That leaves me with a 1/4 inch of space between the top and the bottom of the floor. I will have a cutout in the floor for access hole, just for filling it up. Lengthwise, I'm at 46 inches. Why 46? Well, I bought remnant pieces instead of the 48. I got the 46-inch piece, hence the cheap price. Drew it up in SolidWorks. I'm calculated at 17 gallons. Doesn't sound like a lot, but I've been using a 3-gallon tank for the longest time. Welding it up with the Hobart 190 and just your spool gun. Cutting everything using there's a DeWalt non-ferrous blade. The blade was $45, but it's making straight cuts. The blade is definitely worth it. I used to use a jigsaw. Still have to weld and seal up the side pieces. I've already done a leak test on there. It's welded on the inside and the outside. Now, I couldn't bend the sheet, so the sheet was scored halfway down so I could bend it, and then I filled in the crease with just bead of weld. Again, so the specs again. The width. So the width is 23 inches wide from flange to flange, because between the stringers it's 24 inches. So this gives me 1/2 inch of room to play, and then again, that depth right there is 5 1/4. I'm sorry, 5 inches. 5 1/4 gives me some room to play with. It's all MIG welded. It's like I said, I'll close it up tomorrow. It's getting pretty late. The top's gonna get welded on tomorrow. I'm almost out of welding wire, so it's got to get a new spool put on. Again, it's pretty thick material, and the reason I went with 125 is that's I can comfortably weld that with my spool gun. Questions, comments, let me know.